Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll explore React Native code. In this video, I'm going to expose you to an example showcasing React Native code. This will give you some insight into how React Native code is structured. Let me demonstrate this with some sample React Native code. I open snack.expo.dev snack.expo.dev. This is a pretty neat tool you can use to write React Native code and also run the code on both iOS as well as Android emulators. You can try doing this without installing React Native locally and just use this as a sandbox. I now have a welcome app component that I've created and it is currently empty. As you'll note, I'm running an iOS emulator. Currently, the screen is blank. Now, I'm going to display some welcome text within this welcome app component. First things first, I import the view and text components. These components are part of the React Native package. I'm using view as the parent component, and within view, I'll display some text. Within the text component, I'll type welcome to React Native and I close the tag. On the mobile screen, the welcome to React Native text is situated at the very top of the screen, but it is barely noticeable. That means that I can have to style the layout on the mobile screen to display the text centrally. I'm now going to add styling to the view. I gave it a flex one property and said justify content to center and align items to center. The welcome to React Native text is now in the center of the mobile screen. This is an example of a simple React Native components. You have to import the core components from React Native library and also style your components and display them properly. So you install your components and display them properly. Click the Android button on the Expo Snack that will launch the Android emulator right away. This is a nice feature since you can write quick React Native code without any setup or simulators simply on the browser using Expo Snack. Wait for the app to launch and the welcome text to display. There you go. You now have an Android emulator also displaying the welcome app component. If you don't want to install React Native locally while learning React Native, you can always use snack.export.dev, snack.export.dev. Create your own account and write whatever React Native code you'd like. You will see them running on both iOS and Android instantaneously. In this video, you observed a basic example of React Native code and took note of the way that the elements are structured. Thank you.